Hi everyone, this is Miss Gales. Today I wanted to talk to you about safe research engines that you can use in the classroom. So first of all, what is research? We tend to research when we want to know more about something. For example, today I'm going to use the person, Johnny Appleseed, and I'm going to use the research engines I'm about to show you to find more information about him. Now, I created this resource, which you have access to. And the good thing about this is I have attached the links inside. So all you have to do is hop on this Google Classroom, open up this Google slide, and you can choose which resource you would like to use. So let's first pop over to Kidtopia. I can do that by clicking on that link. Now this is the first research engine that you can use. These are very easy to use. All you would do is click in the search bar and we would type Johnny Appleseed. Let's spell it correctly, Miss Gales. Now this also has a feature where if you wanted to click on a topic to see what pops up. Maybe you wanted to research animals, but you were not sure which animal you wanted to research. You could click on animals and it would give you this giant list. And maybe this would help you get some more ideas. Now notice I clicked that back tab to get back to this main screen. So I'm going to click Johnny Appleseed and I see all of these different resources that I can click on and read to give me more information about him. So I'm going to click out of that tab and then we're going to pop over to the next, which is called Kiddle. Same thing. You can click on Kiddle. Now this is Kiddle. Kiddle is a little different. Kiddle really looks like Google, doesn't it? So same thing. I'm going to type in Johnny Appleseed. I'm having trouble today. And when I click enter, it shows me all of the different resources that I could utilize. Now the question is, how do I know what resource to choose? Now, sometimes you may ask it a specific question. Right now, I'm just typing his name, but maybe I could say, where did Johnny Appleseed live? So it's going to come up with facts. Ooh, explore Minnesota. Wow. So you don't have to just type in the name of someone or the name of an animal. You can ask it a question. It might direct you to a resource that way. So we're going to keep clicking that back arrow. Okay? So let's X out of Kiddle. The next one is Kid Rex. So I like this one. It has a dinosaur, T-Rex, on the top. Same thing. It is like a Google search bar, so you would just type in. So now let's do something different, and maybe I'm going to research panda bears. Okay, so it's going to give me all these different resources here. Now, the first thing I notice at the top, it says add. I want to stay away from that because you know what it's trying to do? It's trying to sell me something. If you look, it says Amazon. So that green resource is telling you that what website you're looking on. So I want to go down here where it doesn't have this ad box. Instead, it has, ooh, giant panda species. World Wildlife Fund. I can look at the resource too in the green, remember, to see, that sounds promising. And if I click on it, oh wow, I've seen that logo before. Oh, what a beautiful picture. And then, oh wow, facts. So researching takes time, and please know, whatever pops up first does not have to be the source that you use. It doesn't have to be the information you use. The last search engine we're going to look at today is called Sweet Search. Again, these all look like similar to a Google search bar. So again, let's go and type in panda bears again. And you're going to notice, oh, hey, the ads came up again, and oh, I just went on this resource. So you might notice that search engines you use, you might have the same things pop up. You may have different websites pop up. So happy researching. Make sure that you really try out the different research engines, and you might even want to write out a list of things that you want to know. So maybe you want to put panda bear food or panda bear home. Where do they live? What do they eat? You don't have to just type the titles. So that's the fun thing. Sometimes if you don't get the information you want the first time, rephrase it. So type it in a different way, use different words, and you may get different resources that way. So enjoy, and as always, reach out to Miss Scales if you need any help. Bye guys!